So I'm actually really excited. We got invited by our amazing Mexican couple. Gemma and Antonio wanted to invite us to get high, for real. Given me and Sarah haven't had too much luck finding love on the ground, this happy couple thinks we might got more luck by looking from the air. Oh yes, we are flying on a chopper to look for the love of our lives from high above. Just joking. I'll tell you a little later what this special occasion after when we're all high. So we're getting a safety briefing.
Okay.
Safety comes first, as you can see. We're about to board right now. They are rebalancing the chopper, so the lightest person goes to the front.
One more cheek.
So as you can see, it's actually pretty tight. You know when this full company, when we are shoulder to shoulder.
Woo! I'm pretty excited. Yes. And you, Charles?
I'm very excited. Thank you very much.
We are going to have a great time.
Yes, we're gonna have an amazing time.
Tower control, Bravo Zulu.
Now the truth is, it's actually Gemma's birthday. Antonio and Gemma was nice enough to invite us to join them and celebrate this special day from the high up. So let's wish Gemma a happy birthday. We just learned that Antonio had proposed to Gemma, and obviously you know what the answer is. Therefore, we like to congratulate this newly engaged couple. We can't wait for our wedding invitation to come any day now. For the rest of you, please enjoy the spectacular aerial scenery of Yukon's landscape, courtesy of Gemma and Antonio.